So this is my Leetcode section, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before watching it. Okay, so this question is the third maximum number. So give your non-bit string and integers and return a certain maximum, and your complexity must be odd. So which tell you that you cannot just do the sorting, and because if you do sort, then you will take n log n. Okay, and if it does not exist, then you need to return a maximum number. Okay. So what I did is that I first delete. So for example, in this case it's 2, 2, 3, 1. Then notice that certain maximum means that certain maximum distinct numbers. So these two cannot be the same. No, okay. So I first take a set to kill the same object, and I call the MA just to be a maximum. Yeah, because well we have some we have the chance that it does not exist, so we will return a maximum number. So I take this MA. So I did twice. The first I take the maximum, and I remove it. So remember that there's no all the number in the numbers numbers array are distinct. So I must all remove the same number x. So and so suppose there are only one element in the numbers. So then after I remove it, then some number must be 0. Then in this case there's no, it does not exist. So I should return MA. And similar for the next time I kill with the second largest object. And if it bypass this, then it means that there must be some remaining number in the numbers array. Then finally I just return a max. Okay, so this is the code. Basically I think it's not very fast, but it's still faster than 94%, but the memory usage may be large. Okay, and I think it's good. I think this is the interesting problem, and I will see you guys in the next video.